Okay, here we go. We gotta take this gutter off to get behind there to fix that corner of the fascia board. And then we gotta put the gutter back on. But it's on with gutter spikes. So somehow we gotta get those out without damaging the gutter. So here we go. So here we go. Could not remove the spike here without damaging the gutter here in this area here. We don't want to do that. So we're going to have to replace the gutters rather than trying to remove the spikes without damaging it, because we need to fix that fascia board that is underneath there, if you can see. Over there in this area here, the fascia board is rotted. But if you look down, this piece is 2-3 stories in the air. It's alright.